Hey everyone, I got a birthday package from my amazing best friend who lives in Canada, So Cargo. And it just arrived a little bit ago and we're finally going to open it. I first want to say off, thank you for thinking of me and sending me a birthday present. I really appreciate it. This box is absolutely beautiful. It's all Paris themed. I love it. I'll be using this box for something else. And so I don't ruin the box, I'm just going to take some scissors and carefully untape it. This might take a minute. I'm being super careful because, like I said, this was a birthday package and I have no idea what might be in it. And Bestie Boo, you taped it up really good, which is good.
There's a utility knife right there.
I don't trust myself with you.
Okay. You want to hand me the utility knife?
We're making progress here. Okay. Oh, wow. Fill to the rim. I'm going to start with the card. Happy birthday. I'm going to read the rest. Aw, thank you, bestie. I will be showing Todd that card off camera. Personal message. I'm going to start off with what I see first. Some Tim Hortons granola bars. This one's Boston cream. This one's actually a chocolate bar. Coffee bar. But she knows I love coffee.
Remember, this is the camera, not that.
This is coffee. And then this one is an apple fritter Tim Hortons granola bar. And because I'm a good wife, I'm going to give the first thing to Todd because it says, here's a little something for Todd.
Oh, yeah?
Look what Cargo made you.
I only have the one hand. Let me open it up.
That's so cute.
Try to show this lining. There's Mickey's on it.
That is so sweet. Isn't that
Thank you so much, Cargo.
And the rest is for me. And I'm going to go for this first thing. Oh, she made me some scrunchies. Scrunchies made with love. Oh, they have little cupcakes all over them. Cupcakes are my absolute favorite treat other than tiramisu. This is looks like a Disney 100 scrunchie with all the little characters. That is so cute. And a Mickey waffle scrunchie. That is so cute. I love them. Thank you. I'm going to just do the wrap things last. This is a Minnie Mouse reusable bag. XL holds up. XL size holds up to 4 bags of groceries. Easy fold up design with built-in pocket.
Cool.
That'll be perfect for when we go grocery shopping. Another granola. This one is double chocolate. And this one is cafe mocha. Everything else in here is wrapped beautifully. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited for everything. sized mini mitts. Oh my goodness.
I might be able to fit my hands in those.
You might.
Those ones you currently have, I can't put my hand in.
You can't. For some reason, your hands are big. But nonetheless, they'll work for me. I do a lot of baking, so those will come in handy. Ooh. Mickey and hold on, it's taped there. Mickey and Friends gummy candy bonbons. They're Mickey shaped gummies. Little Mickey heads and Mickey Friends. I may sneeze in a minute, so I apologize in advance.
Let me know if you want me to pause.
Okay. I will be enjoying those. I love gummy candies. Happy birthday, bestie. It's a Beauty and the Beast little coin purse. Look how cute. I want to see what the pattern is on the inside. Just golden. I will need to attach this to one of my lounge flies.
Mm-hmm.
The bell one, it's just a hook.
Now, the ones you made for me, we can use instead of the coin purse we currently use.
Yeah.
Or
So that will go in my lounge fly and
Mm-hmm.
stuff. I got an eye mask. Look, it's Beauty and the Beast themed. I am using this tonight, so thank you. Beauty and the Beast is my absolute favorite Disney film. I mean, come on, I have a cat named Belle. These feel like ears. All I have to say is these are going to be perfect for the Halloween season.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I am going to be wearing these during the Halloween season at Disney, which starts August 11th. I mean, how cute are these? It looks like their little apron that they wear during the Halloween party, their outfit, so these will get some good use out of them this Halloween season. And that was everything. Thank you. Thank you, bestie. I absolutely love everything, and I feel so blessed.
We're gonna have to make a spot on the ear wall. I see there's a pretzel there and there. We could just take one of those pretzels off of there and put those up. There's already a lot of cargo ears up there.
What do you think? Aren't these cute?
Oh, they're very nice. Yeah, absolutely.
These are so cargo ears.
Oh, yeah.
I got a while ago from her. Had to wear them for the video, obviously. Let's try these. What do you think, babe?
Very nice.
Her ears are the comfiest. Seriously, they don't give me headaches. They're just wonderful. Look her up on Instagram at SewCargo, SEW, and then Cargo, CARGO. Be sure to follow her and place your order with her. She is absolutely amazing at everything she does. The scrunchies are handmade. The mask is handmade. The little pouches are handmade.
She does handbags. There's a handbag right here. Let me just zoom in on that there. Oops.
She bought that.
Going nuts. Oh, she bought that?
Yeah, I think she did.
Nah, she made that, I bet. Maybe not. I don't know. Either way, she could make it. Nope.
She is absolutely talented. Thank you for thinking of me and sending me all these goodies. I'm excited to use everything and eat all these yummy treats. And Todd is not getting any of these gummies because he does not like gummies. I'm kidding. I'll share with him.
I'm probably not going to eat
He
them.
doesn't really eat gummies. He leaves the gummies to me. But we will share the chocolate and the granola bars. And thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm going to be using this box for who knows what. So, thank you so much, Bestie. I love you. And your package is on the way for you. I love you, and thanks guys for watching. Bye.